The first thing we need to do is make sure that your personal account is set up correctly. So when you log in, this is what you're going to see. And I've created an account here, and we've got a demo house that we're going to use for all these examples. And you're on your dashboard. So let's click over here on account. And this is your page, and go through and fill out all of this information that's here: website, inventory URL, your addresses, social media links. Those will show up. If you put something in here, it will show up on the website and other things like that. For your account photos, it asks for a solid background and a transparent. If you don't have a transparent background photo, just send one to me and I can make that happen. But I'll just show you. Just go here and you're just going to upload a couple things here, make it easy. It's going to put that little box there, and that's going to make it, it's going to do facial recognition for that face. Always hit save after you upload something. And I've got one here that's transparent just to show you how that feature works on some future things. Also, add in your account logos, a vertical and a horizontal. If you have one of each. If you don't, I can tweak those for you. This is your default design and flyer layouts. So the property website has a lot of different options. I usually use Astrid Black. I think Vega Black may have a thumbnail, but you can look at them and then you come back here and you can set those: your default flyer, which flyer you want it to always make for you, etc. like that. And default thumbnail image you can pick from out of the marketing kit. Like I want this one. Let's just say we want to say just listed new social media square right there. That's going to be our default that it's going to create for us every time. All right, so make sure all of these things are here, and make sure you save after you make a change. And then over here on the left, just to go through these tabs, these will be where you'll see all your listing pages that you have, reports for your purchase history, your account access. You can click on those to have that information. You can add payment information here. If you have invoices, you can see those there to pay them. Update your password, app integration. If you want to link to a YouTube account, it makes it easier that when you have media and you want to share it, you can put it there. With Vimeo or with marketing, you can use Express Docs if you have that. That is how you set your account up. Make sure you've got all those things ready to go.